Backtalk often sounds like disrespect, like a challenge, like a lack of manners. And when it appears, many parents respond to the tone with intensity. They correct, they lecture, they escalate. But tone is rarely the real problem. Tone is a signal. It signals frustration, overwhelm, or a loss of regulation. When parents focus on eliminating tone, they often miss what the tone is carrying. Children use tone when language is not enough, when emotions are high, when pressure is present, when words feel insufficient. Responding to tone with shame or lectures shuts communication down. It teaches children to hide emotion, not to regulate it. Calm parenting approaches backtalk differently. It separates the message from the delivery. The message matters. The tone tells you something about capacity. When tone escalates, regulation has dropped. And when regulation drops, teaching must slow down. Calm responses to backtalk do not ignore it. They acknowledge it without amplifying it. They hold boundaries without attacking character. This prevents the interaction from becoming a power struggle. Shame escalates backtalk. Lectures prolong it. Calm clarity shortens it. When parents remain steady, children are more likely to settle. Not immediately, but predictably. Over time, children learn that tone does not increase influence. And parents learn that respect cannot be forced. Respect grows in environments where emotions are allowed and boundaries are clear. Calm parenting does not excuse rudeness. It addresses it without damaging connection. Connection is what allows language to improve over time. Children who feel heard are more likely to adjust how they speak. Children who feel shamed are more likely to escalate or withdraw. Handling backtalk calmly teaches something deeper, that emotions can be expressed without harm, that respect is built, not demanded, and that communication can recover after strain. This learning takes time, but it lasts. Calm parenting meets tone with steadiness, not silence, not lectures, but clarity. This moment is enough.